Hello everyone, today we are talking about this Hayward pool filter. It is a new unit. We had professionally installed it and it's been doing an incredible job. As you can see, we have the pool over here and you can see the water is crystal clear and very nice. This is doing incredible job, and you can see it has really nice large viewing area, and it tells you what is the current pressure. And here you have a bunch of options like for the backwash and the waste, the rinsing, all those things. It is able to handle the installation. The pool guy, at least, they made it look easier, and you can see here it looks really nice. I like to color it as well. Here you have pressure release valve. You just if you have to just release the pressure, you can do that. And let me turn around. The system works really well. We have this nice setup here, and once we need to do backwash, it will just go through this pipe and just go into the wood. So here this keeps the pool very clean, and I absolutely love it. And I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching.